Hello and welcome to Smart Stock Trading channel with a new episode on silver market analysis. Make sure to stick around till the end of this video because I'm sure you are going to learn about useful and new investing ideas. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for receiving timely notifications. I am glad that I am able to share my ideas again after a year, and I wasn't able to do this because there were things going on in my life that prevented me from recording any videos or focus on this side of my activities. Finally, I am able to do that. Yeah, I mean it's not a point to talk about my personal things here, but well, anyway, since I posted last video in May about silver market analysis, at that time silver was in like $22 range, and in that video I posted that was my opinion a year ago, and still we have seen a lot of changes in the market over a year. It tested like 17.6 $17.7 area in August 2022, and after that this year in May it finally broke this resistance level, which was around $25. And in my last video I mentioned that once silver clears this level and sustains that level, is going to go way higher. Silver prices are going to be way higher, but what happened that it has been beaten down again. It tested $26 on 1st May and also 10th April, like twice, and the price was slammed down, and there are lots of reason for that. Okay, so the fundamentals of silver hasn't changed since that time because the available physical supply of silver is much lower than the actual demand of silver. But what is happening and what people are thinking, and what I also think, that the price has been artificially being suppressed, silver prices, and the reason it is going down, and there are also like news articles about that and other people's opinion too, that people, even governments, are trying to accumulate silver, so they want it cheap. It went to $26 and then it came down again to $22.7, what is showing in my chart here, silver in US dollar. So it was again down $22.6, and now it's still trying to test this resistance line, which is at the moment is just staying around that line. It's trying to struggle, and the thing is, eventually, and when we see this chart, relative strength indicator, RSI chart, it's not going down from here. It's like staying there in the mid range. In April and May it was oversold, but now it's staying in this state, so we have to watch where it is going from here. So it has to clear this level first, and then in order to prove that this bull run is still intact, it has to clear that level, and also this last high of this year, it has to surpass that price level in order to continue its bull run, and we have to watch. But that interesting thing to watch is that silver stocks, I own a lot of silver stocks, and I didn't sell any during this market correction. At this point where silver crossed $25, the silver stocks, most of stocks in my portfolio, they went like 30%, then their lowest price at the around March 23. So they went up, but then nowadays I am seeing that is again, silver is still sustaining its price, maintaining its price above $20, but the stocks are not doing so good. They are very, I would say, they are on sale. All the silver stocks are on sale. Very good companies that I'm holding, they are so cheap. And the strategy, I have learned in my life by whole investment, I would say, experience, I have learned that if you sell on panic, that's not a good strategy. It's better to keep your shares, but it also depends on the person. If a person has very good technical analysis skill and all those like maybe insider information, they know what the peak is, and they can really sell at this peak and buy back at the lower price level. But that's that's also risky. So I just thought that maybe I'll just keep my positions, and that's what I have been doing. Unless it just crosses my target price, I would keep it. And my strategy is that when I have if I have funds available, I would buy more. So at this point, these days, silver stocks, all of them are very cheap, and I'm thinking of buying some more. But still, we have to maintain risk. We have to make sure that we're not spending all our money on just one sector or one particular stock. So diversify the portfolio. About silver, I'm expecting it to go higher anytime, but we don't know when that's going to happen. But the fundamentals haven't changed. It's like gold and silver have real value. Okay, and if it is being artificially kept down, is the price is at the moment low, but it will not stay like this forever. It will eventually go higher. And it's very stressful to see your stocks and investment more than 50% down from their actual purchase price. But that's life. We have to be patient with our investment. It doesn't grow up in one short period of time. So if you think about, if you have a longer term perspective, it's eventually going to produce good results. It's eventually going to grow. The value will go higher, and your portfolio is going to grow. That's the thing for now. But yeah, I think let me just quickly see other sector, because I was thinking about sharing the stocks that I own, but for them at the moment, yeah, I mean, this is because of my video after a long time. So I was just thinking to just review other. So that's about silver. And let's see how gold has done over this period of time. So yeah, we can see that gold has stayed quite stable. It is still above 1900. It's like trading at 1955 level, and we can clearly see that it's way higher than its 200-day moving average. Lately, you can see it has tested that level, that peak of 2070. It tested it in 2020, then again in March 2022, and now on 1st May 2023. And when you see the RSI chart, it's like oversold, in the oversold area. We have to keep monitoring it if it's going to have same kind of behavior to retest like it did in October 2022. We just have to watch. But the thing is that these like sectors, gold and silver, are being highly manipulated. Yeah, that's for today. Hopefully I can continue making more videos and get motivation to do that. But yeah, I thought it just was like a ice breaking thing for me to record this video today. So hopefully I can continue. And please, if you liked my video, share it, and also subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you.